Why do you need to build an online taxi booking app? In the transportation industry, everyone suddenly wanted a ride-hailing app. And while there are some early winners in this space, it's still an open field with plenty of opportunities for new players. Investing in taxi app development is smart if you are considering getting into the ride-hailing business. This industry has enormous potential, and the changes we have seen are only the beginning. Once people had to hail a cab by raising their arms and flagging one down on the street. But then came along transportation network companies like Lyft, Uber, and Get, who proved it possible to hail a cab without ever having to leave your house or speak to a taxi operator. You can book and pay for any trip with a few clicks on a smartphone, and people are getting used to this new reality rather quickly. Before we dig deep into how you can do this, let's dive into why you need to build an online taxi booking app. The analysis predict that the online ride-hailing market is expected to grow at a CAGR of 10.08% from 2020 to 2025. Do you need more to start something more straightforward and yet amazingly profitable? Taxi apps provide a platform for taxi companies and personal taxis to connect with the users. Taxi owners must register their cars with the app to make them available. If you are unsure about this idea, have a look at these big names: Uber, Ola Cabs, Lyft. Some of the benefits of taxi booking app are on-demand booking. Users can easily enjoy the service of booking a cab through their smartphones without any problem. Users can book a taxi with a single tap and just enter the pickup location and destination. Payment. Users of the taxi booking application will get multiple payment options. Users can use any mode of payment at their convenience. These applications have multiple payment options like credit, debit cards, mobile wallets, and cash for the payment. Transparency. There are many applications in the market, and you will see that not many provide transparency so that customers can trust the applications. Customer can quickly go through the driver's profile and check ratings, experience, cost, and many other things before booking a taxi. Real-time location tracking. Real-time location tracking is a helpful feature for any taxi booking application. It allows users to keep track of their taxis and help drivers determine the exact location of the user. This feature helps to make your business more efficient. Customer feedback. Customer feedback and reviews are essential for any business, but they can be especially helpful for taxi booking apps. By understanding what customers like and don't like, you can change your app to encourage more people to use it. Staying ahead of your competitors is essential in taxi booking business, so ensure you take advantage of customer feedback to improve your service. Discounts and offers. You can offer discounts and coupons on their bookings to keep your customers returning. After all, who doesn't love a good deal? Here's a tip. You can offer a catchy and simple interface, less spacious application, fun offers, and discounts. Now, the most important question is the hows. If you want an application that generates revenue through an online taxi booking business, you can get in touch with Usher. At Usher, you will get dedicated professional services from scratch to the launch of your application under your budget. Get in touch with us now and let your idea become a reality.